We are in Hong Kong. I'm Gretchen Cabaturection from Philippines. I'm 34 years old. I'm married. I'm high school graduate. I'm the mother of two kids, ages 11 and 14. We have 5 siblings in the family, and I'm the third. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia almost 5 years. My main duties: cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, taking care of the baby, and also cooking together my madam. Ma'am and sir, I hope you will give me a chance to be as your helper. I promise I finish my contract with you. I promise I will take care of your family, especially if you have a kid. Thank you.